Welcome guys, this is how you can use TrendLine to record 90% success rate trading any financial instruments. Now, what you need is a higher high and a lower high. The 2 points you need, in this case, these are the 2 points you need. This point and this point. This is the 2 points you need as far as you have this higher high here and the higher low here. That's the only 2 points you need to establish your trend line. Now in this case, this is a bullish trend line because we are having higher high and what higher low. Do you understand? So once you have a structure that looks like this, do you understand? This is what the trend line you need to draw is a bullish trend line. Do you understand? So in this case now, we only need these 2 lines to draw our trend line. Do you understand? Alright, let's draw the trend line now. Let's input the trend line. So this is the trend line. We make use of this line, this point and this point to do what? To draw our trend line. Now the third point should be the first entry. You understand? Any touch on that trend line should be what? A buy entry. You understand? Provided the candlestick never break this trend line, we will keep on entering. So here is another, all these points are possible. This is the first entry, this is the second entry, here is the fourth entry. Provided the candlesticks never break the trend line. You see, this is the 50, this is the 50 entry here. This is the fourth entry, I mean to say. Here is the fourth entry. Do you understand? Now if you watch here, now you see that the trend line is broken here. The trend line is broken here. So how do you confirm? The question is, how do you confirm if it is a reversal trend? Now you wait. Once you notice the crossing here, you need to wait until it bounces back to the trend line. Once it bounces back to this trend line and it reverses again, that is what a clear reversal trend. Now you wait. Once it reverses, you wait. Do you understand? Now you use this particular line. Once it establishes another lower high, you use this particular 2 line, this particular 2 points to do what? To establish this particular 2 points to do what? Establish your bearish trend line. So let's draw the bearish trend line in this case. Let's draw the bearish trend line in this case. So this is our bearish trend line. If you watch here, we make use of this particular 2 points. We make use of this point and this point to draw our bearish trend line. Do you understand? So our first entry should be here. Once the market traces back to the line, our first entry should be here. Do you understand? Then our second entry should be here. Do you understand? I see it. So here should be our third entry. Here should be our third entry. So if you watch, the market retraces here again. The market crosses this trend line. So how do we verify that this is a reversal trend? You wait until it bounces back to this trend line again. Once it bounces back and retraces, now that is a clear reversal, trend reversal. Do you understand? So you now make use of this particular point, this point, and this point again to draw your another trend line. You understand? So this is our trend line. So this is our trend line. We make use of this particular point, this point, and this point to draw our trend line. Now this is our first. Here is our first entry. Our first bullish entry. Do you understand? So we wait until now. Let's extend this trend line. Our second entry, we wait until this market comes here and back again. So here should be our next entry. So this is how to use trend line to record the massive success trading any financial instruments. So this is OPTIMER FS. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. You understand? Thank you.